xanapea. This is going to be a Q&A video for Beauty Bound Asia. I'm going to answer a few questions for you to get to know me better, and I have invited a few of my favorite girls from the YouTube community to ask me the following questions. The first question will be asked by the person who informed me about Beauty Bound Asia. From the beginning until now, she has been constantly encouraging me and pushing me to do my best despite some problems or whatever. So I really owe a lot to her. And yeah, here she is, the first question.
Hi Xana, so my question is, what is the toughest obstacle that you faced in the Beauty Bound program and how did you overcome?
I actually had a lot of obstacles in Beauty Bound Asia, not only because of the program itself, but because of what was going on with my life in the course of the competition. But I would say the first and probably the biggest obstacle was actually going to Manila for the competition. I was like, oh, I had to go to Manila. I wasn't prepared for this. I've never been to Manila alone in my entire life. So I was like, oh my god, should I go for this one? I'm not sure if I can do this. So despite of being very scared of traveling alone to Manila for the workshop and with a very limited budget, I flew to Manila on the same week when I received the email. And yeah, I would think that's the first and the biggest obstacle. If I did not go through with that, I wouldn't be here. So I'm glad that I made the right decision. Yeah. Okay, the next questions will be asked by some of my favorite girls from YouTube, whom I met through Beauty Bound Asia. They made my journey in Beauty Bound Asia a very memorable, fun, and very good one. oh, sentimental. Anyways, yeah, here they are.
Hi, Shan! Congratulations! You made it to the regional finals. We are very, very proud of you. So, for your next question, what was the most memorable part in this Beauty Bound Asia journey? That's it. Good luck!
It's meeting the YouTubers, or these girls. I live far from Manila and I never really attend events for YouTubers or bloggers or vloggers because we don't have that here in my city. So to finally see the girls who I idolize and see the girls that I just see on my computer screen is something very memorable to me.
My question is, how did it feel to be makeup free in your videos and also in front of other beauty creators?
Well, it's actually not new to me to be makeup free in a video because I have done a few tutorials in the past and usually I start from scratch. But being makeup free in front of other creators is actually a different story because you will see each other face to face. I think other YouTubers will understand that when you're makeup free in front of your video, you still have your lighting with you, the camera is positioned in your best angle, and you don't worry so much about not being perfect because you have a few things that you can control, so you won't look as bad. But being barefaced in front of other girls, it gives you a sense of liberty, you know, because all of you are makeup free and face to face, imperfections and all, and no judgment because you realize that nobody is perfect, you know. So yeah, I felt some kind of liberty or freedom. Yeah, that would be my answer.
Hey Xana, so this would be your question number 4. So what were your top skincare learnings? And did you see any improvements on your skin? And tell us how.
My top skincare learning is about the importance of skincare and the importance of starting taking care of your skin at an early age. I discovered that as early as my age or my generation, early 20s or mid 20s, you should start taking very good care of your skin, because even though it looks very young and supple right now, but underneath it's actually starting to age. That's what I learned. And in Beauty Bound Asia, they never failed to emphasize on the importance of skincare, because after all, good skin is the canvas for our makeup. Honestly, I did not notice any apparent change or improvement in my skin, because basically I don't have a lot of troubles with my skin. Well, it's not the best flawless skin there is, but I don't really have major issues about it. I'm hoping that if I am religious with my skincare now, my skin would somehow show some improvement, or maybe remain like this for a long time, a very long time.
Hi Xana Babes! First of all, congratulations, and I know that you can do it. Please say hi for me to Michelle Fan. And my question for you is, what did you learn about makeup and your style? Did your style change or improve, and how?
Well, my makeup style is slight, natural, dewy, Korean-ish kind of makeup. And my style changed. On a daily basis, I still do the same thing. Probably my skincare routine changed. I do more stuff or put more stuff on my face before putting on makeup. Maybe I could say that I became a little bit experimental with my daily looks. Simple things or little things that you observe in other girls that they do, and they seem to be really happy with it and they look good on it. It makes you feel like you want to try it too. So other girls influence me somehow.
For the last question, what did you learn about being a creator?
Being a serious and a dedicated creator is not an easy job. Like, there's so much more than what you see right now on your computer screen. That short 5-minute might have taken us a few days to finish, a few sleepless nights. It requires a lot of creativity and passion, I would say. And another thing that I realized is that you need to be very responsible when you are a creator. You have to educate your viewers because they're watching you to learn something, to discover something, to ask for help. You also need to entertain them because they watch your videos when they are bored or when they're sad, to give them a little bit of escape from a stressful day at work. So somehow it must be entertaining. And I would say the last thing is it must be inspiring. Being a creator, you need to be responsible with what you put out there, because somehow, in some way, we can subconsciously affect our viewers. And if you are responsible enough to create and put a video out there that is inspiring, then you have already helped change someone's life. So that's what I learned about being a creator. And that's the end of the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Q&A video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is xanapea, and I'll see you next time. Bye!